Welcome, Dr. Sands here. In this video, you'll learn how to record narration in PowerPoint. Whether you want to capture audio for a single slide or create a complete narrated presentation, these tools make it simple. I'll walk you through the steps to record, customize your settings, and export a professional video that's ready to share. Let's get started.
You can record narration for a slide or your entire PowerPoint presentation. Select the record button. There are many tools to help you record. Turn on your camera by selecting the icon. Select camera mode. Then choose blur background. Select settings to change your microphone or camera. You have notes in your PowerPoint. Use the default teleprompter view to read them. To change the layout, select Views to switch to Presenter or Slide View. When you're ready, select Record and start speaking. And welcome to the 4th Coffee Investor Briefing. You can mark up and highlight your slides on screen with a laser pen or highlighter, and it'll record as well. To continue recording on the next slide, just go to it. Narration won't record during slide transitions, so let those play first before you start speaking. Pause the recording as needed or select Stop if you're done. To review the video, select the play button. Not good enough, select the retake button to record again. When you're done, select export to export video. Then view and share your video. And anytime you need more commands, you'll find them in the Record tab.
That's it. You've now seen how to record narration, customize your presentation, and export it as a video in PowerPoint. With these tools, you can create professional and engaging presentations with ease. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.